In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up assets in QuickBooks 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new account for your assets in QuickBooks Online, name it clearly, choose the right category, and record an accurate opening balance so your balance sheet reflects the right totals. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online. From any screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens your main settings menu. In the Your Company column, select Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account that feeds your reports, including assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Inside Chart of Accounts, head to the top right corner and click New to create a new account. A setup panel opens. Start by adding an account name. Make it specific and recognizable so you and your team instantly know what it is later. For example, computer equipment, warehouse shelving, or vehicle fleet. Next, select the account type. In this walkthrough, we're following a setup that places the account under owner's equity. This can be appropriate when you're tracking owner-contributed assets. If your intent is to track a traditional asset like equipment or furniture, many businesses choose fixed asset or other current asset, depending on how long they'll hold it. If you're unsure, it's always wise to confirm with your accountant so your reports line up with your policies. Choose the detail type that best matches the category you're creating. This adds clarity to how QuickBooks groups the account behind the scenes. If this account should roll up under an existing category, turn on Make this a sub-account and select the parent account, such as grouping laptops under computer equipment. Enter the opening balance. This should reflect what the balance of this account was as of your chosen start date. For the date field, use the day you want this balance to begin, often the first day of your fiscal year or the day you're migrating to QuickBooks. Picking the correct date helps prevent double counting in your reconciliations. Add a description if you want extra context like a purchase reference, location, or useful notes for future reviews. Then confirm the account is set to appear on the balance sheet. Assets and equity accounts live on that report, so this ensures your totals show up in the right place. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new account will appear in the chart of accounts, ready to use on transactions and to report accurately on your balance sheet.